Cainiao is the global logistics company that wants to make supply chains more efficient and improves customer experience. In Hong Kong, logistics and warehousing services are very important because we are an international trade center. To make the most of warehouse space and save on labor and leasing costs, using advanced CTU technology is a very great option. With Hikrobot's warehousing management and picking technology, we can maximize warehouse space, improve picking speed, and reduce mistakes. This ensures that the orders are picked and delivered accurately and on time to our customers. To make sure everything runs smoothly, the Hikrobot team set up a test environment for our UAT in Tonglu, Hangzhou. All setup just simulated the real operation flow and the environment with bins, CTU station tower, conveyor system, and picking station. During these 4 weeks, our tech experts worked closely with Hikrobot's R&D team. We figured out and completed more than 130 improvement action items. As a result, we saved almost a month when we implement the system in Hong Kong, and we can have a rocket start in the ramp-up stage. We aim to deliver anywhere in China within 24 hours and globally within 72 hours. We value every promotional event. Cainiao and Hikrobot have teamed up to create a state intelligence system that makes everything seamless. They boost our picking speed and takes the pressure off our workforce. During the promo period, our picking efficiency has shot up by 5 times compared to our usual numbers.